Ellie the Playful Elephant. Deep in the heart of the jungle, there lived a very playful elephant named Ellie. Ellie loved to splash and spray water with her friends.
Look out, Lila. Here comes a splash.
Ellie, you got me all wet.
You always make our jungle days so fun, Ellie.
Ellie's friends enjoyed her playful nature, but sometimes her pranks caused a bit of trouble. One sunny afternoon, Ellie saw Toby the tortoise taking a slow walk.
This will be funny.
Ellie filled her trunk with water and sprayed Toby.
Oh dear, Ellie, you startled me.
Ellie giggled, but she didn't notice that Toby's favorite flowers got soaked.
Ellie, be careful next time. Not everyone likes surprises.
One day, Ellie wandered too far into the jungle and found herself stuck in a muddy pit.
Help! Someone help me, please.
Ellie called out for help, but her friends thought she was just playing a trick.
Oh, Ellie, you're always joking.
Nice try, Ellie, but we won't fall for it.
Poor Ellie! She was truly stuck and needed help. After a while, Toby came by and saw Ellie's worried face.
Ellie, are you really in trouble?
Yes, Toby, I'm stuck and I can't get out.
Toby knew Ellie well and could tell she was not joking.
This time Ellie's really in trouble. I must help her. Lila and Ben Ellie needs our help for real.
Oh no, let's go help Ellie.
Let's go help Ellie.
Lila, Ben, and Toby worked together to free Ellie from the muddy pit.
Thank you so much. I promise I'll be more careful with my jokes.
We're just glad you're safe, Ellie.
Let's go splash some water to celebrate.
And so, Ellie learned an important lesson about being mindful of others while having fun. From then on, she still played and splashed, but she always made sure her friends knew when she was being serious. Ellie became known not just for her playful pranks, but also for her big heart and caring nature.
Ellie, you're a wonderful friend.
And I'm lucky to have friends like you.
And they all lived happily in the jungle, always ready for the next adventure, with Ellie leading the way responsibly.
Hooray for Ellie!
The end. Remember, it's always fun to play, but it's also important to be kind and know when to be serious, just like Ellie.
Goodbye, everyone.
Everyone.